Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, we have a new report out tonight on a low float Nasdaq trading under 60 cents a share. According to INVZ, the float is just 7.16 million shares. To get our market moving report on this hot small cap stock, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from insiderfinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, today we got CPI for November, which came in at a shade higher at plus 0.1%. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, rose 0.3% month over month, matching consensus and accelerating slightly from October's plus 0.2% November. On a year-over-year basis, core CPI came in at plus 4%, still significantly higher than the Fed's 2% target. Rate expectations did not see much change after the CPI data. According to the CME FedWatch tool, markets are still expecting the first 25 basis point rate cut to come in May 2024, with a nearly 42% chance that the cut could come in March. Tomorrow we get at 8:30 a.m. the Producer Price Index report for November will be released, and then at 2 p.m. the Fed's Open Market Committee will release its statement on interest rates, and then at 2:30 p.m. Fed Chair Jay Powell will hold a press conference. Very few see any chance that the Fed will change the federal funds target range from its current 5.25% to 5.5% level at the end of its meeting tomorrow. As such, investors and economists will focus on when the Fed will start cutting rates. They'll look for clues in the policymakers' projections, in the dot plot, and in Chair Jay Powell's language during his post-meeting press conference. So we could see some major fireworks. Markets here are holding up near the highs. So again, we are expecting some major moves tomorrow after that press conference. In the world of small caps, we got this tweet tonight from Charlie Gasparino. He said, breaking short selling community panicking that new SEC Gov rules on short selling disclosure will lead to a massive uptick in short squeezes, much like what happened during the early days of the meme craze. We'll discuss now with Liz Clayman on Fox Business. This is big news. Let's hopefully that this is the case. We're looking for, 2023 is almost over, but if this rule goes into effect and we start getting some squeezes like we got during the meme craze with GameStop, GameStong, 2024 could just be huge. So keep tuning into this channel and we'll keep you updated, guys. But small caps that I'm watching for tomorrow and the rest of the week. First up is INVZ, was up 13% today, running over the past 2 days. On this CNBC article, it says analysts love this self-driving car tech stock and give it over 400% upside. So again, analysts are able to really move stocks. The institutions are following. Even high-profile short seller Citron Research has also backed the company by disclosing a long position in INVZ. Citron said INVZ has over $5 billion in committed contracts with most of their customers. Yes, that number is real. Meanwhile, stock is trading less than cash. That can be an easy double once the street realizes that INVZ is the LiDAR leader. This would he said on X, formerly Twitter. So again, pay attention to INVZ. BYND squeezing slow and steady. Really like the price action in Beyond Meat. 44% of the float is short. We will take it. GRND, nice move here, hitting highs. We flagged the other day the $447,000 insider buy at $7.46. So again, insider buying is something that we cover here at Insider Financial for our subscribers. CDT continues higher. This has been my biggest call over the past month. The stock is up over 389%. Just a 380,000 share float. Congrats to all who have banked in CDT. Tops always runs, as I said, when the markets get hot. Please use a trailing stop. Need to be cautious here. Like I said, this one really just moves with the market. When the markets get hot, Tops always runs more than the market. So this is one always to keep on your watch list if you're looking to trade the overall markets. TSVT had news after the bell. 25% of the float is short. We're getting news. $6. We got $6 and $13 price targets from analysts on TSVT. So still watching the price action in this one, keeping this one on our radar screen. Where is this? So this was the news here. Bristol Myers Squibb and T70 Bio, TSVT, today announced results from the pre-planned final progression-free survival analysis of the pivotal Phase 3 open-label global randomized controlled study evaluating Abecma compared with standard combination regimens in adults with relapsed and refractory multiple myeloma after 2 to 4 prior lines of therapy. So we're going to be following up with this one tomorrow. This one is certainly on watch. Said here at a median follow-up of more than 30 months, maintained a 51% reduction in risk of disease progression or death with median PFS of 13.8 months compared with 4.4 months for standard regimens. Responses were significantly improved and continue to deepen over time with a complete response rate of 44% versus 5% for standard regimens with consistent benefit observed across subgroups. So this looks to be good news. Be watching this one for trade setups tomorrow. Carvana. Next up is Carvana. This has been my biggest call of the year, up 733% year to date. I just wish I held it. Consolidating nicely here. I'm not going to be shorting it, but I'm looking for the breakout. So no position right now, but I am going to keep it on my watch list looking for a breakout above 42. And if we get that, this thing's really, really going to squeeze. 35% of the float is short. RSLS, just a $3 million market cap. We got news after the bell. They received FDA PMA supplement approval for its next generation lap band 2.0 Flex. Flex technology designed to improve the patient experience. Company initiating U.S. product launch. So this is indeed big news. Expecting major fireworks in RSLS tomorrow. CAVA, CAVA, this is a recent IPO. The stock was up today over 19% as it cleared its IPO share lockup expiration without any major fireworks. Volume was more than normal, with again the stock closing up over 19%. IPO was $22 a share. The IPO lockup was a major overhang for the stock. So again, IPO lockup is meaning that insiders, employees can't sell their stock until that lockup expires. And then once it does, and we saw no major selling, that is indeed a positive for the stock. And 16% of the float is short. CCC, quadruple C's. This was a big runner today, up 98%. We got pre-market news Here, the company announced license and research collaboration with Merck to discover and develop degrader antibody conjugates. Initial focus on one oncology target exclusive to collaboration. Merck has option for 3 additional targets. And then we got news after the bell. They announced positive data from the phase 1 trial in relapse refractory multiple myeloma. This is indeed big news. The stock closed at $234, but we're trading $272 in the after hours. So the company is hitting it out of the park. Be paying attention for this one for more upside tomorrow. ALT, nice bounce today. Looks like it wants to go higher again. This has been my big winner for us here at Insider Financial, up 137% over the past month. 12% of the float is now short, so going to be paying attention to this one for more upside. ADTX, we had news today, stock trading 670 in the after hours. So again, the stock was up 60% today, but we're even higher in the after hours. The news today was the company entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Evofem Biosciences, creator of Phexxi, and the first and only FDA-approved hormone-free contraceptive gel to address diverse reproductive health needs of women global. The company posted $13.4 million in net sales for the first months of 2023. The company ADXT looks to accelerate Evofem into the global non-hormonal birth control market, valued at $27.7 billion in 2022, and is expected to grow to $52.2 billion by 2031. So there's a lot to like about this one. Just the $1.16 million market cap, small float. We got 14% of float is short. I really think this one could squeeze, and we could really see. Look at this one; it spiked back in September all the way to almost $70. So we're keeping this one on watch for more spikeability. Lastly, guys, is JG. A lot of social media chatter on this one, especially on stock twits, from a lot of guys that we respect and we follow. So we're watching this one. Stock was up 26% today, trading 282 in the after hours. Going to be watching this one for continuation. A lot of chatter on stock twits about this one in the after hours. And this is my actual watch list, guys. At this moment, I have no positions in any of these names at this time of video posting, but tomorrow I may or may not trade in any of these names. I will, of course, be scanning pre-market. If I see anything new to add, I will let subscribers know, so make sure you sign up. But our main focus for Fed Day is a low float Nasdaq trading under 60 cents a share. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. And at Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Open an account and deposit any amount and get up to 6 free fractional shares, each valued between $3 and $3,000. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.